Hi, it's Harrasad, and today I'll show you how to fix overheating during charging or gaming on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, if you're charging, make sure that the phone charger and the cable isn't broken in any way. You can take off the case. When you're gaming, make sure to lower the graphic quality. Then go into the settings. From here, find display, scroll down to screen refresh rate and select 60 Hz. Then you can play games and charge in a cool and ventilated area. If your phone is really overheated during playing games, just leave it for a few minutes to cool down. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.